Well, guys, I think it's the start of something. I'm not quite sure what, but it's a bunch of patchwork metal is what it is. Everything you see here was in my scrap bin, and I've just been chopping and welding stuff together. This episode was compiled of a bunch of 1 or 2 hour snippets that I was doing because I've been under the weather the past few days, but I have a really hard time sitting still. So when I gather up some energy and feel up to it, I come out here and work on it a little bit, do some filming, and then go back in the house for a couple hours. So the flu this year, yeah, some guys brought it into my hourly wage gig, and I know some of you don't think I have one of those, but I do, and passed it around and I got it. So it might be it for a while now that I think about it, because the next thing I have to do is take the body off of the track frame, the body frame off the track frame, and I'm going to wire wheel and flap disc and all that good stuff, and fix some repairs, some welds, and do a ton of grinding. And those are extremely boring episodes. However, once the body frame's ready to be painted, I will come back and do a little time lapse of that. And then the next step in the process is taking this bad boy apart. And down in the comment section, I want you guys to leave your guesses as to what's wrong with it if you've made it this far in the video. I'll tell you what the symptoms are. It runs fine, it's got plenty of power, but it's got massive blow-by. It's got enough blow-by that it's just pumping the oil out of the breather line. I'm gonna guess that it's got a cracked piston. From my research online, the 4BD2Ts are notorious for cracking pistons for whatever reason. The only other thing I could think of that it might be is there's a crack in the head, but that's rare. Cracked between cylinders on the head are common, but one that makes oil come out is not too common. Yeah, the least favorite part of the build coming up here is all the grinding and welding and fixing everything up. But I think it's coming along nicely, and I'm really excited. I got ideas in my mind of what I'm going to do for the body and whatnot, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, love to have you as a subscriber. But as always, guys, take care, and I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.